Hi friends, welcome to Durga Software. In this video, I want to tell one very tricky Java point related to inheritance concept. Just aware these points are. Here, what is the point here is, do you know a class can extend another class. You know this one. So here just class A extends B. Okay, this is the valid syntax, right? Okay, class A extends B. Next, a class can implement any number of interfaces. Any number of interfaces. You know this part also. Class A implements. Assume that okay, B comma C comma D. Assume B C D are interfaces here in this context. Okay, like so a class can implement any number of interfaces. A class can extend only one class at a time. So now my important point is a class can extend another class and can implement any number of interfaces simultaneously. Any number of interfaces simultaneously. Okay, like you know these ones are. But here only my important conclusion is there. Just take very special care about this one. A class can extend another class and can implement any number of interfaces simultaneously. Okay, like now my question is class A I'm taking. Assume that I have one interface is there. Let me talk about. I have one interface is there, sir. Interf like. Next, I have one class A is there, sir. Okay. Now class B implements interf. Class B implements interf extends A. Please confirm, is it valid Java syntax or not? Respond very carefully about this one. Is it valid Java syntax or not? Class B implements interf extends A. If I can take like this, compiler will give left and right. Okay, let me check this one. Let me save this sir2 in my current working directory. D drive. Okay, Durga classes is my current working directory. In this, let me save this one. Yeah, b.java. Okay, like I'm taking subclass B, implements interf, extends A. So just I'm trying to take b.java. Let me compile this code. Java C b.java. Compiler is ready to give left and right. Are you getting? So here it is class B implements. Immediately curly braces expected. It never expecting extends a keyword. It is not expecting extends a keyword like we are getting compile time error, right? So why this code is invalid? The reason for that is if a class implements an interface and extends another class, first compulsory we have to take extends and then implements. Okay, first we require to take. So first a class can extend another class and can implement any number of interfaces simultaneously. Remember that compulsory we require to take extends first and then implements the next. Okay, by mistake first if we are taking implements first, this is invalid, right? Okay, this line itself is the invalid. Now what I want to take, I want to make a small change in this. What I'm trying to take, extends A and then implements interf. Extends A and then implements interf. First extends keyword and then I'm taking implements keyword. Okay, first extends A and then you can take implements interf. No problem at all. Sir, perfectly itself is valid. Sir. Now, so happily the code is going to compile. Now my question is, yes, this is the tricky point what I'm expecting from you people, right? What is my important point is, whenever we are using extends and implements both, why we have to take extends first and then implements the next. Are you getting? This is about my requirements, sir. why we have to take extends first and then implements? Why we can't take implements first and then extends next? What is the reason for that? Yes, have you ever think in this way? Yes, friends, why we require to take extends first and then implements next? By mistake, by mistake. So if I can take implements first and after that extends next, immediately compatible error we are going to get. But extends first and then implements, no problem at all. Happily the code is going to compile. What may be the reason why we have to take extends first when compared with the implements next? Anyone? So whenever I asked this question in my regular class, the students are told, do you know a funny answers, sir? Extends implements. Here, E alphabetical order E will come first, and then I will come. That's why first we require to take extends and then implements. If that student is there in front of me, definitely I will give left and right. Okay, so not because of alphabetical order. Okay, first. Second one, sir, legend. Some people are telling, sir, here extends only one class, but implements can take any number of interfaces. That's why implements are last, but the extends are first. Okay, some people are telling this type of reason also, but make sure, sir, these are things. Okay, alphabetical order. Next, only one class you can extend, but any number of interfaces. These are not the reasons for this. Then why we have to take extends first and then implements next? The reason is just take very special care. Do you know in the bank terminology, have you ever heard about the IP? Don't tell IP address. In the bank law, legal Indian law, IP means insolvent petition. Insolvent petition, sir. Insolvent petition. So, sir, my business is not good. There are several debts, debits are there for me. Then immediately I will go for IP, boss. So I will hand over to the court saying, so I'm not in a position to pay my debts. Can you please do something like that? So I will go for court. Then immediately what the court is going to do? Yes, court will ask how much property you have, how much property you have. Okay, so we have to submit our property. Okay, next sir, how much debts you have, how much debits you have. Okay, like how much debits you have, like so now this total property will share for all the debited people, for all debits people, say so some 30%, 40%, 50%, like the court is going to take care. This type of thing is called insolvent petition. Okay, like so now here just to take very special care. So if you want to give money, first you have to aware what you have. So how much you have or how much you are getting. Okay, next you have to think about how much you are going to give. First think about how much we have, sir, what we are getting, and then we have to think about what we have to give. General philosophy, sir. Here also just assume that, sir. Assume that I have an interface is there. Okay, public void m1 method is there. Next I have interface public void m2 method. Of course, here two methods are there in my interface. Assume that this class is the independent class. Now public void m1 method implementation is already there. Assume implementation is there, sir. Okay, m1 method implementation is there. Assume it is one independent class. Now here take very special care. If implements first and then extends what is the problem? What is the problem is, now listen very carefully. Class B implements interf. Class B implements interf, and then I'm taking extends. Class B implements interf, and then I'm taking extends A. Assume that. So the problem here is whenever we are taking B implements interf. So this class implements interf means this class is required to provide implementation for how many methods? Have you remembered, right? Two methods are there inside interface. For each and every method, compulsory we should provide implementation. Assume that here just I'm concentrating only this one first. Assume public void m1 public void m2, like this I'm taking, sir. Public void m1 and then public void m2 like I'm taking. Now the point is, take very special care about this one. So I provided implementation for both methods. For both methods, this part got completed. Now I have to think about extends A. From A class, what I'm going to get. So here extends means your class is getting something from the parent. Implements means you require to provide implementation, right? So implements keyword means, sir, we can use the word giving. Okay, extends keyword means we can use the word getting. Remember this one, right? First, what I have to give, so I'm thinking about that, and then what I'm going to get, I'm thinking. So this type of thing is so not recommended. What is the problem is, first you concentrated implementation draft, that's why you provided implementation. Later you are thinking about extends A. From A class already A method I will get to my class B. Unnecessary I provided implementation for M1. Duplicate method implementation may be the problem. Remember this one, sir. Duplicate method implementation may be the problem. So first, instead of thinking about implementation, first you have to be aware from the parent, am I getting anything? So once you have clear conclusion from the parent, sir, total these many things I got, and then you can think about which methods you require to implement. So if you consider implements first and then extends, how many methods I require to provide implementation? 2 methods I have to provide implementation, right? So suppose if I consider if extends first and then implements. If extends first and then implements, if I can take, sir, observe carefully, class B extends A, sir, implements Interf, like I'm taking, sir. Now first I'm concentrating, so B extends A. Oh, B the child class of A. From A, which method we are getting? M1 method. Was B has M1 method already from A class. B has M1 method already from A class. From A class, M1 method is already there. We are not required to provide implementation if you require M1, because from A we are getting this M1 getting. Next, implements Interf. Whenever we are implementing Interf, how many methods I require to provide implementation? 2 methods, M1 and M2. But from A class, already M1 is there. We are not required to provide implementation, but we have to provide implementation only for M2. Public void M2, like this. That's all. So if I use implements first, then extends, we require to provide implementation for 2 methods. But if I use extends first and then implement, I require to provide implementation for only M2, because M1 method is already available from A class. Are you in the position to understand, right? So that is the reason why Java people follows extends first and then implements next. First, extends means we have to, what we are getting from the parent. Implements means what we have to give. What we have to give means what methods we have to implement. So before thinking about which methods we have to implement, first think about which methods you are getting from the parent. Once you know whatever property you have, once you aware all the methods, whatever you have, then you can think about what methods extra we require to implement. Remember this one. That's why extends keyword first and then implements we require to take. But implements and then extends if we are taking, immediately error we are going to get, sir. So with pleasant mind, think a bit very carefully, then definitely you people are going to get clearly. Extends means you are getting something. Implements means you have to give something. You have to provide implementation. So first, before implementing, so which methods you have, first you should have clear conclusion and then thinking about implementation. That is the reason why extends keyword first, then implements keyword. Are you in the position to understand, right? So by mistake, if you are taking implements and then extend, compiler is going to give left and right. Why? What is the internal reason why Java people give the priority for extends and then implement? This is the reason. Don't feel because of alphabetical order, or otherwise because a class can extend only one class, but interface number of interfaces can be implemented. Those things are not reasons. First, you should have clear clarity what methods you are going to get by using extends. Okay, now total 10 methods what I have either from the parent or current class. Next, how many methods I require to provide implementation? 12 methods. Only remaining 2 methods provide implementation, something like that. Yes, friends, are you in the position to understand clearly why we have to use extends first and then implements the next? Still, if you are having any doubt, please add in the comments section. Definitely, I will answer. Don't worry, sir. Okay. So with pleasant mind, better to think. Definitely, you can understand very easily, friends. Okay, right? Thanks for everyone.